Listen closely, because the bridge between the 99% and the industrial elite is finally open. For years, global production was a mystery, a closed-door operation hidden behind predatory middleman markups. Those days are officially over. You are looking at a fully automatic and complete set of gummy candy production and processing machinery. This isn't just hardware.
From 配料到成型，全自动生产线，保证每一颗都完美无瑕。
My job is simple. I am here to get you there. When you click the deep link provided, you are bypassing the noise and landing directly on the source site. You are stepping onto the factory floor where the real numbers live. People always ask, how much can I make? The answer to that lives at the source. Once you click that link, you are in direct contact with the global production giants who will explain the scale, the output, and the massive profit potential of these industrial assets. The Moneymaker Blueprint is your sovereign gateway. This complete processing line handles the heavy lifting, from high-precision automated mixing and cooking to sophisticated molding and precision packaging. This is a turnkey industrial startup. We have personally audited the production standards to ensure that when you take the strike, you are backed by grade 304 stainless steel integrity and verified motor torque. Every machine in the Moneymaker fleet represents a direct chance for you to own the source. Whether it's the Gummy grid or the rotary pill press, these are the engines of a real business. But remember, in this game, data is your only defense.
From 配料到成型，全自动生产线，保证每一颗都完美无瑕。
Independent audit protocol at industrialreviews.org. We give you the technical foundation, but the profit scaling is in your hands once you click the deep link. We break down the logic so you can see the true ROI. When you click that link, you are taking the first step toward scaling from a single startup line to a full industrial fleet that builds a family legacy. The blueprint is ready. The factory doors are open. The audits are live. Stop guessing and start producing. Click the deep link below right now to bypass the markups and land directly on the source site where your business begins. The machines are running, the tribe is growing, and the opportunity is waiting for those ready to lead. I'm Coach AMJ, and I'll see you in the audit.